Let's first begin with the most used continuation patterns, the symmetrical triangle and the flag. When the market is in an uptrend, it can move sideways for some time, and it usually does. And after that, it resumes its move up. These pauses, these breaks in the trend is called the symmetrical and flag patterns, or the continuation pattern. Now, there are other continuation patterns, but these two are what we're going to focus on. Let's begin with the symmetrical triangle. Now, first, we need an ongoing trend. For example, an uptrend. Then we need swing highs and swing lows that converge. Now, if you join these swings, you get two sloping lines, hence the name symmetrical triangle. It looks like a pizza slice, right? It looks like a triangle on its back, which is symmetrical. Let's see a more real-world example with Apollo hospitals. Now, this chart of Apollo is in a beautiful uptrend. This is the monthly chart, by the way. Can you spot any symmetrical triangles? You may have to squint a bit, but after a little practice, it's fairly obvious. There it is. And after that, you will see that the market broke out and the stock went up by 250%. It took a few years, but it happened. There's another symmetrical triangle here too. Can you see it? That too broke out and gave a handsome return. The symmetrical triangle is simple. If we get one in an uptrend, we are likely to see a breakout upwards. Similarly, a symmetrical triangle in a downtrend is likely to break downwards. Let's talk about the flag pattern next. Now, this is fairly straightforward. We need a rally. Now, this rally is called the pole, and then we have consecutive lower swing lows. Now, these swings are quite small. It's like a pause in the uptrend. And you can think of it that every time the market falls, new players come in and push it back up. And these consecutive lower swing lows is called the flag. Look carefully. It looks like a flag, doesn't it? Let's see a real-world pattern in action with Divis Labs. This is Divis Labs. These are the weekly charts though. So we're slightly lower time frame, but you'll see that the flag pattern right there. As you can see, we broke out after that and gave a handsome return too. Oh, and there's a nice symmetrical triangle over there too. I hope you noticed it before I actually told you. So that's it. That's what these major continuation patterns look like. The flag and the symmetrical triangle. In the next lesson, we're going to discuss on how to actually trade it. Where do you buy? Where do you sell? And of course, the most important thing, where do you take your profits? I'll see you in the next lesson.